Hello guys, this is Anibarja Sarkar and you are watching my channel Bank on Gate. So before starting this math, I request you to please subscribe my channel and share this video to all of your friends. So let's start with the math. The math is, suppose that the eigenvalue of the matrix A are 1, 2, 4. Three eigenvalues 1, 2 and 4. The determinant of A inverse transpose is what? The you have to find out the value because there is no options. Clear? This math come to the gate exam 16 CSC department, computer science department, set 2. Clear? So normally student confused the math how they solve because the matrix is not given here. Because if the matrix is given here, then they find out the value of A inverse and then transpose the A inverse. So here matrix is not given here. The only the eigenvalues is given. So we use a tricks to solve this math within second. Firstly, we know one property. The property of eigenvalue is the determinant of the matrix, that means determinant of A equal to product of eigenvalue, product of eigenvalues. Clear? So what is the determinant value? That means 1 into 2 into 4, because our given eigenvalues are 1 to 4. So determinant of A equal to determinant of A equal to 8. Clear? Determinant of A equal to 8. Now A inverse. That means mod of A inverse. Clear? That means determinant of A inverse, because here's we have to find out the determinant of this. So firstly we find determinant of A inverse. Determinant of A inverse means 1 by determinant of A. That means determinant of A inverse gives us the value 1 by 8. Clear? And there is another property, and you have to remind this, you have to always remember or remind this property, that determinant of A inverse equal to, clear, determinant of A inverse equal to determinant of A inverse transpose. Clear? Determinant of A inverse, that means after finding A inverse, if you determine the matrix, this determinant's value is equal to the determinant value of A inverse transpose. Clear? So we already find out the value of A determinant of A inverse, that is 1 by 8. So determinant of A inverse transpose gives us the same value. So determinant of A inverse transpose, so determinant of A inverse transpose is 1 by 8. Clear? So we have to always remember the property. The property is determinant, A inverse determinant is always equal to A inverse transpose determinant. Clear? And by using this property, we easily find out the value, and the value is 1 by 8. Clear? Thank you.